Hello, I'm Dr. Max, and welcome to Hyperbaric Dr. Max Restoration Center in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida, right by the beach. Here we deliver the most advanced hair restoration services in modern patient-centered establishment. In Hyperbaric Dr. Max, your procedure will never be delegated to technicians. Instead, I will perform every step of the surgery with my own hands, making sure that the best care is provided to my patients. Let me show you around. As soon as you step inside, our concierge staff takes over all the logistics. Paperwork, medical records, even airport transfers if you're flying in. That frees you to focus on what is truly matters, understanding your options and feeling heard. We book only one surgical patient per day, so you'll never feel rushed or like a number. Walking into our surgical floor, let's first check our consultation room. Precision begins here. With TrichoLab AI-assisted trichoscopy, we analyze follicle caliber, antigen-telogen ratio, and miniaturization patterns down to individual microns. No guesswork, no one-size-fits-all plans. I turn these metrics into personalized roadmap that predicts realistic graft counts and long-term density, so expectations and outcomes align. Inside these multiple hyperbaric chambers, we deliver 100% oxygen at more than 2 atmospheric pressure. That saturates plasma with dissolved O2 8 times more than regular air, jumpstarts angiogenesis, prevents infection, and cuts postoperative healing by 3 times, ensuring survival of every graft. Every surgical patient follows a protocol of sessions before and after surgery, because faster healing means higher graft survival and quicker return to normal life. Welcome to our non-surgical procedure room. We have the most advanced technology to help with non-surgical hair loss therapies. One of these therapies is Folix. It is a fractional laser FDA approved for hair loss in both men and women. We are proud to have the most advanced way to treat hair loss using PRP. With this high-precision injection device, I'm able to target every single hair follicle with high-potency PRP. No hairlines are the same. They frame your entire face and determine the way you look for the rest of your life. With high-resolution photography and motion capture angles, I design a hairline that respects future aging patterns, ethnic characteristics, and personal style. Every graft is plotted with precise angle and density, so the final results look natural at best in bright light or even under 4K cameras. In our wash suite, your scalp receives a gentle cleanse with low-pressure irrigation using medical-grade shampoo and a neck support basin to shield every graft. Welcome to our surgical room. In this room, all the magic of hair restoration happens. We have cutting-edge ARTAS robotic system for harvesting and implantation, and I also use 40 times magnification surgical microscope to harvest and implant every graft. We're proud to be a patient-centered facility. What that means, my procedures are never delegated to technicians. Instead, I perform every single step of the surgery with my own hands. I'm able to supervise every single stage of the procedure, ensuring high survival rate of grafts and fast recovery after surgery. We have a real surgical table to help patients to feel as comfortable as possible during long procedures such as 4,000 grafts transplantation. We have a policy of full transparency. So when the surgical plan is 4,600 grafts, we can ensure that 4,600 grafts being transplanted. We are the only facility where patient can observe every single step of hair implantation on the big screen TV in real time. Our counting station includes proprietary chilling system designed by me to ensure that grafts are always stored in right temperature. Not everyone needs more hair. Some just need an illusion of density. Our SMP artists using medical-grade pigments, microdot by microdot, matching your exact undertone. It's ideal for scar concealment, crown shading, or creating a freshly shaved bust outlook. Maintenance is minimal and results are almost immediate. The way we prepare PRP is also unique. We're the only center that utilize CBC analyzer to make sure that PRP actually contain proper concentration of platelets. This is absolutely essential. We also utilize M-site centrifuge to prepare PRP and activate it with calcium chloride. For patients who travel for the hair restoration surgery, we have an option to stay in our second floor suite, which allows them to receive all the therapy, hyperbaric, postoperative and preoperative, without driving back to the hotel. Our second floor conference room can be easily converted into lecture space by removing this foldable wall. We do teach other doctors the art of hair restoration. Our last meeting, we had 12 doctors from all over the United States attending master class in hair transplantation. Striving to be the most technologically advanced hair restoration practice in the world requires me to spend lots of time with research and development. So my office does not look like a typical doctor's office. Instead, it's filled with machinery that helps me to create prototypes and work on the next generation surgical equipment to provide the best possible results for my patients. Thank you for touring Hair by Dr. Max Restoration Center. Whether you're exploring minimally invasive options, full surgical restoration, or combination therapies, you deserve a plan that honors your anatomy, lifestyle, and your goals. I'm Dr. Max, and I hope to see you soon.